Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case which is based on the power of Commissioner of Income Tax under section 263. Section 263 gives power to the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax to revise the order of the assessing officer if he finds that the order passed by the assessing officer is erroneous and prejudicial to the interest to the revenue. The power under section 263 does not give any right to the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax to replace his view in place of the view of the assessing officer. Section 263 was introduced in the statute just because of the reason that since the revenue do not have the power to file the appeal against the order of the assessing officer, and if any order which is erroneous and prejudicial to the interest to the revenue can be revised by the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, but this power is to be used by the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax in a very judicious manner and not just to replace his view with the view of the assessing officer. The present case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus BT Global Communications India Private Limited, and this case has been reported in 466 ITR at page number 714, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Delhi High Court on 5th January 2024. In the present case, the assessee is providing telecommunication services in India and abroad since 2003 and was claiming the deduction under section 80IA, which is for the development of the infrastructure of India, and the assessee was claiming the deduction since 2003 and up to the assessment year 9-10 and 10-11 also. The year in dispute is assessment year 10-11. The facts of the case are like this. In the present year, the assessee applied for the license of international long distance services and national long distance services from the Department of Telecommunications, and the Department of Telecommunications on the application of the assessee migrated the present license of the assessee to the national long distance and international long distance. And when this license was migrated in 2006, after that also the assessing officer allowed the deduction under section 80IA in assessment year 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10 and 10, 11. Meaning thereby that the deduction was given to the assessee after proper inquiry and due inquiry by the assessing officer. But for the assessment year 10-11, the Commissioner of Income Tax initiated revision proceedings on the ground that in the year 2006, when the license of the assessee was migrated to the national long distance license and international long distance license, the Commissioner of Income Tax was of the view that since in section 80IA there is no provision for allowing the deduction in case of migration of the licenses, so the assessee is not eligible to get the deduction under section 80IA. So accordingly, Commissioner of Income Tax denied the exemption or deduction under section 80IA in the assessment year 10-11. The assessee moved to the tribunal and the tribunal quashed the order of the Commissioner of Income Tax. So the department moved to the High Court. When the High Court heard this matter, the High Court was of the view that the more addition of services would not take the assessee out of the realm of section 80IA subsection 4 clause II. The High Court was also of the view that the migration took place in 2006 and the assessing officer allowed the deduction to the assessee in assessment year 7, 8, 8, 9 and 9, 10. So the assessee should not be deprived of deduction for the assessment year 10-11 on the basis of the concept of consistency also. Further, Delhi High Court said that nothing was brought by the revenue on record that the migration of the license has brought some new undertaking into existence, and at the same time Delhi High Court said that in the present case, although the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax do conduct some inquiry, but he failed to arrive at finding challenging the sustainability of the view of the assessing officer, and it is not the mandate of section 263 that the Commissioner of Income Tax can replace his view with the view of the AO under section 263. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus BT Global Communications India Private Limited, and this case has been reported in 466 ITR at page number 714. The matter has been decided by Delhi High Court on 5th January 2024. Thank you, friends.